Ignore what I look like, but I got a new package from Temu and I thought I would open it on camera. I believe this is mostly yarn because I've been really into crocheting, and I bought everything from one seller, so I'm hoping that it's all good quality. There's so much. First, I got a new set of crochet hooks because I was missing some, and the set was just a lot cheaper. They look really good quality. You can see it'll say the size on the side, and the hook is metal, and it feels really nice. And there's like 14 of them in here. Next, I got this circle stencil thing. Feels pretty nice. It's just plastic. Next are these white balls of yarn. They are smaller than I thought they were gonna be, but they look pretty nice. They look thinner than what I thought they were going to be because they don't list the sizing online, but it is really, really soft. Next, I got two green ones. These are the exact same brand as the white ones. They also feel exactly the same. Super, super soft. Next is black yarn. Again, same seller, and it feels the exact same. Guess what? Pink yarn. Same seller. I'm pretty sure they feel the exact same. I have this blue one, same seller. I got these keychains because I was hoping to crochet little things and make them into keychains. They look not too bad, and inside there's a little pack of jump rings to connect them to your keychain. Next, I have yellow yarn. Then I have this tan one. I only got this tan one because in the reviews I saw someone use this color and made a little boba, so I want to make that too. I have this white felt. It feels really big actually. This is how big it is, and it feels nice and thick too. I really like this. Next, I got these crochet eyes. These ones are cool because they have like a little hole in the back, so I can sew it on instead of using the backing, which I find always falls out for me. Next, I have a purple ball of yarn. Then I have these. This is the fluffy yellow one that I used to make my bumblebees. It feels different than the ones that I have from Michael's, but I think it's still really good. In person, it looks so bright. Oh, it looks like it's glowing, but I'm happy with it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!